Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on Elixio before. Give me 20 seconds to explain. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter or that you just don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Elixio users right now. And a few things about each that actually matter, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my whole research doc, completely free to read at your leisure. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPNs for Elixio and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Elixio. Why? Well, it works perfectly with Elixio's requirements. That's super important, I guess. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connection issues, no packet loss, plus great download and upload speeds. Features, it's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, cheap for what it offers, and the support is top notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any, that's a fact. Encryption, uses the best tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no hiccups, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives, just a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Elixio is IPVanish. Why? It's a simple, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth and reliable while using Elixio. Features, it's got everything an Elixio user needs, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great. You can route only Elixio traffic through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money options out there. Usually cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? Nope, no logs. Their no logs policy is independently audited. Encryption uses the best tech available. AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy buffs a bit nervous. But their no-log audit checks out. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want excellent performance and great value. Third pick, Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and offers the most customization on this list. Speed, very good. Because of the huge server network, you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Logs, nope. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, uses the best tech, and it's even customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as clean or slick as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features for Elixio. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Elixio. NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just by their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly with Elixio. Quick recap, just in case. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Elixio, a premium experience with the most features and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible value for what you pay. Choose PIA if you're on a budget but want a massive server network and tons of advanced features for Elixio. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one. And hey, let me know in the comments which one you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.